Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Thursday said Prime Minister Narendra Modi thinks that the Constitution of India is blank because he has never read it. Modi would have pursued different policies had he read the country's foundational document, he said at election rallies at Nandurbar and Nanded ahead of the November 20 Maharashtra Assembly elections. Gandhi's retort came after Modi and the Bharatiya Janata Party claimed that the Congress leader was showing a copy of the Constitution with blank pages inside at his campaign rallies. And indeed, the Congress leader was also campaigning ahead of the Lok Sabha by-election necessitated by the death of sitting Congress MP Bhushan Chavan. The Congress has fielded his son Ravindra Chavan, while the BJP has fielded Santuk Hambarde. The Prime Minister says, "I show a blank constitution," Gandhi said in a trouble-dominated Nandurbar in North Maharashtra, adding, "The constitution is blank for him because he has never read it in his life. He has no idea what is written in it." In Nanded Central region, Gandhi said the constitution does not teach discrimination. If Modi has read the constitution, he would not have behaved the way he does. Modi waives loans of rupees 16 lakh crore of 25 rich people, but not those of the poor and farmers, he added. Referring to strife torn Manipur, he said, "For the first time in the country's history, a prime minister has not visited a state which has been burning for more than a year."